Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Pulsar Xlite V4, and now I'm gonna show you how to check battery level on this mouse. So if you have good battery level, you don't have any notification from your mouse, but if your battery level is low, this light, this LED will blink red, and you will know that you should you should charge your battery, you should charge your mouse. But you can check exact level of your battery. To do that, just open Pulsar software on your Windows or Mac OS, and here you will see on the Pulsar Gigi, you will find here Xlite mouse, and here you will see exact battery level of your device. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.